Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel all about hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Well, it is April 1st, and I thought that this would be a good time to drop a video on something I've been thinking about a lot lately, and that is going not just ultralight, not just super ultralight, but stupid ultralight. People typically say that if your base weight is under 20 pounds, you are a lightweight backpacker. If it's under 10, you're an ultralight backpacker. And if it's under 5 pounds, you are a super ultralight backpacker. Well, the trend obviously should continue because if less weight is better, then less weight is always better. And so I reached out to some YouTube friends to ask them, what do they do to achieve stupid ultralight status? We'll get to those in a minute, but for now, I want to tell you what started me on this quest, and that was having a conversation with a friend about sleep pads. Now, this is my Nemo Tensor insulated sleep pad. It weighs nearly a pound. If I'm going to be stupid ultralight, this alone is going to take up nearly half my base weight. Now, one way to cut weight on a sleep pad is to switch out something like this for a closed cell mat, and then cut it so that it only covers your torso, and you can just put your legs up on your backpack or something. Well, some ultralight companies are now offering 1/8 inch closed cell foam sleeping pads, and so I thought, well, if you can get down to 1/8 of an inch, why not 1/16th, or 1/32nd, or 1/64th? Further, if you really think about it, the parts of your body that actually hurt when they lay on the ground is just the parts where your bones hit. Now, I'm kind of a side sleeper, and so basically, as long as my hip bone has padding, I'm good to go. So after shaving down my 1/8 inch sleep pad over and over and over again, and then cutting it so that it only fit exactly where it needed to, I came up with this little beauty right here. I just went from 1 pound to 4/100ths of an ounce. Now, I have not calculated the R value on this sleep pad yet, but I will say that it does come with an insulated version. All right, let's move on to some other YouTuber tips for going stupid ultralight. We're going to begin with my buddy who got me into Crocs, Everyday Backpacker. Everyday, what you got for us?
So I was trying to figure out the most perfect way for me to shave off an extra weight and get to a stupid ultralight setup, and it dawned on me. It's perfect. I shaved off all my hair, or at least buzzed it off. I saved like a whole half ounce, but hey, it's not a lot, but you know, it all adds up, right? What else can I do? I know. I could drill more holes in my Crocs. I got it. Change out my boxer briefs for a thong. Nope. Oh, terrible idea. Oh, so much chafing.
Everyday Backpacker, those were some mind-boggling tips. Thank you so much. I went right out and got those awesome Crocs you got me and started drilling extra holes in them. And I think I might have gone a little bit overboard, but I've got to tell you, these things are so light, they don't even show up on my scale. All right, moving on. Let's go talk to Andrew, star of the inaugural Hilltop Packs hiker video series, and his channel, Metro on the Move. Metro, what do you do for stupid ultralight?
Hey guys, it's Metro, and today I'm going to talk about my stupid ultralight new pack. It's the 40-liter disposable pack. It comes with these two arm straps, as you can see here, and it's got that stretch material. Smells pretty good too, so you can put all your stinky hiker gear in there. But anyway, lots of capacity as you open it up. You can see all in there. Lots of stuff to stuff in there, lots of room to stuff in there. But as you can see, these straps, they're expandable. So all you gotta do is put it on one arm like this, and the other arm, you might need a buddy to help you put it on, but all you gotta do is just work it up the back like this, and boom, you got yourself one of those drawstring hyperlight packs right there. That's pretty ultralight as it goes, and it looks kind of like a cape too. Pretty ultralight, man. You can't get less than that. Throw it away, no problem. Get another one. Your whole box. It's awesome. Ultralight. Let's keep moving.
My gosh, I don't know about you, but I can just feel my base weight dropping into the stupid ultralight range. All right, next we have Ben McMillan from Hilltop Packs. Ben, what do you got for us, my man?
Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs, and today I'm going to give you a couple of tips, 2 tips to be exact, on how you can go a little bit later on your next backpacking trip. So most guys that I know are using Dyneema backpacks. You can actually use this, but not actually take it with you. So you can take this thing apart, rip out a section of your Dyneema backpack, just cut out the whole side section. What you do is you take the Dyneema side, we'll just pretend like this is it, and you peel off all the lamination part, which looks like this, So you peel off the lamination, and what you end up with a bunch of Dyneema fibers like this. And you take that and you tie off all of your gear onto this, and I'll bring Christian to kind of show you the example I have. So Christian's walking over, he has his ice pick right here, and all of his gear is hanging off the ice pick, off these little, this very super strong strands. It's not gonna ever break on. This stuff is amazing stuff. You don't need the backpack, I promise you. So that is my big tip for you. Hopefully it helps you out, and there you go.
What's the second tip?
You also have to carry an ice pick.
I've got one more contribution from my buddy Rob Pelton that I hiked the Michigan Triple Crown with last year. Rob, take us home. What is the best tip for going stupid ultralight when you're backpacking?
Hey Doug, great question. What are some tips and tricks to lighten up your pack? How do you make things easier for you on a backpacking trip? I'm starting to look at all my gear because the spring is here. Summer is coming pretty soon, so you start to look at all your loadouts, all the things you carry. And as you start getting into backpacking, you start realizing that there are ways where you can cut weight in your pack. Your gear starts to evolve, right? So it got me to thinking, what can I do for this backpacking season of 2022, to make it easier for myself on trail? How do I avoid working too hard because of a heavy pack going up hills? How do I help avoid making it easier to avoid bugs, heat, cold? What can I do to make it better? And I figured something out. Oh yeah, this is totally a case of Girl Scout cookies. It all comes down to effort, right? Dialing in your gear, making sure you have everything you need, what works, what doesn't work. And then you gotta drive to your trailhead or whatever and do hiking and carrying a pack that's heavy and there's hills and bugs. So my advice is don't go. Stay home. There's a bathroom like 20 feet that way. I got a fridge full of stuff. This requires no effort. So don't even start backpacking. Like, don't even talk about it. Just stay home and be comfortable, and don't see this awesome world that a lot of people don't see. That's my advice. So be sure to subscribe for more tips and more whatever.
Well, there you go, folks. If 20 pounds is lightweight and 10 pounds is ultralight and 5 pounds is super ultralight, it doesn't seem like you can possibly go any more stupid ultralight than 0 pounds. All right, everybody, happy April Fool's Day. I hope this video was fun for you. If it was, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for real, actual tips on backpacking, hiking, camping, and the gear that goes with it. If you click the subscribe bell, YouTube will let you know the next time a video on this channel drops. Until next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.